Happy snowy weather, guys. And seriously, I am tired. I'm really tired of fighting with this snow. This is absolutely insane and impossible. This winter is way too much. Way too much. I've been cleaning that panels 3 times. 2 times today already. 2. I started a third one and I gave up. Literally. Let me get up here so I will show you. How does it look like? Okay. It's not that hard because I already have some preps for it. So this is the third time today. And I mean, these were cleaned only once. This was never cleaned. Same applies here. This is insane. This is crazy. I mean, I'm over it. I cannot do anything about it. And you can help. So, well, my own decision that literally came out of this is I want to remove these panels from being flat. Absolutely. And I want to mount them vertically. Absolutely vertically. And I'm also thinking and how to make this 30 degrees tilt, which is a construction tilt, to make it 45, 50, I don't know, as max as possible. Hold on a sec. Okay, I'm down safe. So here's my idea. Let's take a quick look. So here's the connection of how this rack is being built. And I mean, I can technically put it down, but I mean, of course, the panels have to be put down first. And then I can put them down for as low as until this bar hits this pole. So in my opinion, like roughly like the same thing. So I will keep that bolt in place, and I will have to just like loosen it a little bit. I mean, all of those, right? Of course. And then the whole fraction, the whole construction will go down to as low, with this radius as low as probably here, probably this place. And then that will be the angle that we'll have. And I'm probably reaching something about 45 degrees. That will help with snow buildup a lot. But I don't know when to do this because, well, obviously, maybe before the next winter. Because currently it's absolutely crazy. You see, this is the amount of snow that went from panels for a significant amount of time, and this is crazy. I'm tired of cleaning them. They are way over than I am, and this is important to clean them because we have no power, no grid at this moment. And I mean, my own production is the only source of production that I have. And in case of no wind, you have nothing. In case of this kind of weather, you have only something that is coming from back. And this is still my best producer at this moment. 1 kilowatt at this exact time, at this exact weather, at this exact light is going into from these exact vertical arrays. So that flat array will surely go vertical. I don't know when and at which exact case, but maybe from here. Why not up until there, or maybe here, I don't know, up until here. So I will have to calculate and measure and like check, but this is obviously the way to mimic this setup, because this is the only thing that works in this kind of crazy weather. I don't care about summer production. I need something that works in the winter. And like degrees, tilts, this is something that is crazily influencing the production. So think twice before putting your panels flat, or, I mean, of course it depends on the, how do you call it, the latitude that you live on. And I'm in 50. It's 50 latitude in my area, in my region. So yes, that's probably the degree that I should be using for optimal yearly production. But for winter one, vertical. Yes, indeed. Sorry, and there will be no January stats because, well, these guys were not running from the 9th of January up until 29th of January. So there is nothing to show. Because they were frozen. I mean, right now they actually are unfrozen because you can clearly see that the thing is rotating. But there will be no production updates for you because they are absolutely not relevant. So what for? You would want to have something that is not relevant. I mean, it will show you nothing specifically. So anyways, this winter has taught me a lot. You cannot fight with nature. You have to think how to make things easier for you and workable for you. So bifacial panels is a way to go, but the degrees and tilts is something to consider. Think of it. Thanks.